Midnight coffee gone cold again. Steam ghosts rising from the car. Street lights paint your name in water. On this glass I can wipe up. Your coat still hangs by the door, smelling faintly of last April rain. I trace the buttons you left undone, counting reasons you couldn't stay. Time keeps folding old letters into shapes I don't recognize. Shadows on the window pane dance with ghosts of what we planned. Every drop erases your face from the life I thought we'd have. Shadows on the window pane. Found your hairpin in my pocket, rusted now from the summer's day. Funny how small things outlive us, while promises just snap. Moonlight bleaches all colors from the photos on the shelf. Shadows on the window pane dance with ghosts of what we planned. Every drop rewrites our ending in a language only Wayne understands. Shadows on the window pane. If I press my palm to the glass, will your handprint bloom beneath mine? Or is memory just vapor that vanishes with morning light? Shadows on the window pane. Don't just dance, tear through me. Every drop is your goodbye, burning slow and endlessly. Shadows, shadows, shadows on that don't tell the truth. Store windows full of dreams on sale. Me with broken pockets and open doors. They told me studying everything would come, but the future moved out without warning. Resume sleeping in some drawer, while the clock charges me every day. Everything has a price, except my anxiety. I buy distractions to avoid thinking I'm a young one for sale, but no one bought me in a world that consumes even the heart. No job, no tomorrow, no voice in control. I'm the system's error, the engine's flaw. I live counting coins at the corner bar, watching perfect lives pass by the window. Likes that don't feed, promises without paper. They told me be constant, but in one for one. The TV smiles at me, wants to convince me that if I have nothing, it's because I didn't believe. But I believe in effort and getting up again, even if the ground is tired of seeing me fall. They ask me to consume happiness, but mine isn't sold in any store. I'm a young one for sale, but no one bought me in a world that consumes even the heart. No job, no tomorrow, no voice in control. I'm the system's error, the engine's flaw. And yet I breathe, I stand here still. I'm not a product, though they want to believe. Maybe I have nothing, but I have reason. Life isn't measured by what the boss gives. I'm not ready. Oh, cruel statistic, I'm a child waiting for its turn too. Even if today there's no path, no light around, the future doesn't give up, neither do I.
Dale un me gusta al video y suscríbete. Nos vemos en el siguiente video.